On the SAT, when it comes to parabola, you're going to need to know two ways to find roots, also known as x-intercepts. And the first way is when you're given an equation like this and equations are simple and it can be factored, then you simply factor into something like x plus 10. But the thing is that numbers are not always going to be pretty. Instead, it could look ugly, something like this, where it's simply not factorable. And when it cannot be factored, that's when you use what's known as the quadratic formula. And one thing that SAT loves to do is when you look at the answer choices, you already see radicals there and you already know where they came from. Right there. So don't waste your time factoring when you see radicals in the answer choices. But last but not least, SAT is not always going to ask you to find the solution individually. Instead, they're going to ask you, hey, what's the product of all the solutions? Or what's the sum of all the solutions? In this case, just do know that the equation itself is never going to be factorable. That's how they want you to waste time. Instead, use the product formula, which is C over A and then negative B over A per the sum. And that is one of 4 things that are tested on the SAT for parabola. If you know everything here, you're never going to miss any more parabola questions. Look up John Parabola Review for a full video.